Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cat bed. So here you can see that I'm using my blue highlighter pen to draw the cat bed. Now I'm using my pink highlighter pen. Now I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my green highlighter pen. I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. Wavy wavy. Here's my pink pen. I'm trying to draw some cat paw. Wow! Now I'm using my green highlighter pen again. Now I'm using my red pen. I'm using my pink pen. Wow, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.